hold up the sign. So this is PMF 2B Seminar Assessment. Just say your name quickly as well.
Jenny.
Lian.
Luna.
Okay. And you will be discussing question 1, topic 1. Increasing population and climate change raise the risk of food security, i.e. access to sufficient quantity, quality and variety of food for survival. What can be done at individual, national and global level to minimise the impact of climate change on food security? How can countries plan for better food security? Okay.
So I think I will start the topic, and there is individual questions, so I think we just do it step by step. First, I'll talk about how we done like individuals like us. I think firstly we should reduce food waste. Like according to research, there is like 30 or 50% of the whole production of food is wasted. So individuals like us should save the food for more.
And our from the education and also everybody know to how, we don't waste the food, but we can strengthen the awareness and let us do the behavior to don't to waste the food. I think the school is very important. Let students should know this is a very important thing.
I agree with you. So what do you think?
So in my opinion, I think the reason why climate change caused like food security, the main reason might because of desire for people, especially developing country. So if like people can, buy some local food, not just buy some non-season food from the other country, maybe we can cut the carbon footprint at the moment, so to can solve this problem. So how about your opinion?
I think we also need to save the water because the water is very shortage. It's important to grow the crops.
So you mean we need to save the resource? What is need to grow the crops like the crops?
Yeah.
Okay, that's reasonable.
Okay. You mean but save water is by developing country or developing country?
I think
Yes,
all the
different.
countries, yeah,
Okay.
need to
both.
save the water.
Okay.
Yes.
So next, the national. I think national means the government. So from the government, I think they should do some regulation about this to increase the food production, like to do more research and put more human resource on science.
Mm-hmm.
And also due to the climate change, it also has some impact for the food security. So maybe the government should do some prediction about the climate change.
Mm-hmm.
So for
Yes.
different area, they can plant some suitable crops and make more growth on the production. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I totally agree.
And you first.
So okay, for me, for government, they need to test a lot from like as I mentioned before, from like import food from the other country, so it can reduce like again carbon footprint, so can make the climate change become more stable.
So you mean carbon dioxide?
Yeah,
Like greenhouse gases?
yeah,
Okay.
it's very serious problem in that.
And of course, some research that that for a long time the relationship between the change of the temperature and the rainfall will cause the pollution of vegetables and the fruits, and like the flood may result in harmful bacteria concentration increased. So we should, like Chinese say, the government should search some information about this. We should not
Import?
we import something
Yeah.
from the other country. So
Okay, I think like the best way maybe is promotion, like educate the citizen how climate change can damage damage this environment to.
Sorry, I didn't catch. What do you mean?
I mean
Damage?
like promotion, like educate citizen.
Citizen.
Like for example, like if you go like public area, they can say the slogan like, okay, don't waste the money or don't waste the food or something. To educate the citizen, they can set they do not waste the food. Or something.
So it's like same meaning as Lian mentioned before.
Yeah,
like
but yeah.
rise the education for
Yeah.
the individuals.
Yeah.
Oh, another. I want to add something. We should reduce the use of genetically modified crops. From the American always use this kind of food.
Can you elaborate furthermore? Because
Yeah.
we didn't understand
Yeah.
fully.
Oh, the gene,
Gene.
gene,
Yeah.
gene.
transfer gene food.
Transport. Gene food.
Oh,
Food,
okay.
gene.
So you think we should do
Reduce
that?
the use,
Reduce.
because maybe it's unsafe for the people. Healthy.
So what, like, support evidence you give this adjustment?
Scientists didn't know the effect. Yeah,
Science didn't
they
know the
still
effect.
study on this topic.
But last time I read something about this one.
Oh, really?
Because you know the company called the Greenpeace.
Oh,
Oh.
yes.
Say against the transgene food, and I think 120 Nobel Prizes won scientists against their result. Like they haven't studied fully, but they think it is not that harm for our health.
Oh, really?
So we can use this kind of food.
We can use
Yeah, I
the gene
think we
food.
can.
Oh,
We can.
So it will.
But
Oh.
let's just put it
Yeah,
this
yeah,
like,
so we
like
discuss the other
in
question.
this
Yeah.
point, because
Too deep.
the
yeah.
result is unclear yet, but still I think
Okay, let's discuss maybe what kinds of action can the food industry and the developing nations take to help prevent food security issue in the food producing countries. Do you catch this question?
This is
We answered
the first one.
first question.
Oh, okay.
so. In the global level, I think the global level is means the environmental that we just mentioned before.
Yeah.
And we need to reduce the pollution, so can rise the production of the food to provide food security.
Yes.
Oh,
Like in Japan, several years ago, they have the nuclear leak, and there's the bad. It's bad to the human's health. So when this is happened, and it will happen into the vegetables and fruit. When this vegetable fruit is transported to the other country, then the import country where the people eat this vegetable and fruit, they also have some problems. So it is the original
Original.
the pollutions. Yeah.
Okay. So it's like will damage our body.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's quite serious.
oh, I think in the global level, it also means the cooperate in the countries. They have a organization to aid some poultry country, like Africa or something.
I totally agree with you.
Yeah.
So some like developed country can donate some extra food or drinks to some less developed country.
Yeah.
Question. I think not just donate. Maybe we need to organization like they teach him how to
the technology.
Yeah,
To
technology.
provide the technology for them.
And also it can educate the local people. Yeah.
But this one is quite hard.
Yeah.
It takes progress. It takes period of time to do that. To
It
accomplish
also
that.
depends on their graphic.
Okay.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, some that just doesn't grow food.
Yeah.
Also, so shall we move on to the next question?
Okay.
It's
Okay.
like how can countries plan for better food security? Countries. I think for China, it's some program called water from south to transport to the north
Yeah.
area.
Oh,
Because
okay.
in the south place there is shortage of water, so they transport more water to the north place, which is lack of the water resource. So in this program, it help the north area to have this ability to grow more
Yeah.
variety of plants to eat.
But how about cost? I think cost is quite expensive. If you can save this cost, like we can use this budget to do the other thing. For example, like we can just negotiation with the other country, like for maybe 20 years we can buy in food regularly but a similar price. I think this is a good way to.
But I think there's a problem, like if you cooperate with another country, if something happened to that country, then they cut the relationship direct with you. So suddenly you have
This
less.
is the other problem.
Yeah.
I agree.
So
agree with
I think independently we should rely on our own resource.
you.
Yes.
That's more secure.
Okay.
Unstable.
So do you have add-on opinion?
Oh, the storage of spare food. We should plan for the future.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean okay.
Build more storage for.
Storage for food.
Okay.
And
I hear this information before. It's kind of like we can store the foods in like very north area. Like, you know what I mean?
no.
Okay, fine. Let's save the seed
Oh.
in a like huge refrigerator.
Oh.
So
So when someday like climate change become a serious problem, maybe one day we can use this seed to find the other plant or land to grow.
Oh, but
To save the seeds.
it will need a long time to grow this seed. You can't use this directly.
oh yeah.
Yeah, but this is like a chance you can use
It's
it.
like a choice.
Yeah.
You can use it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like prevent some bad thing happen in the
Yeah.
future. And also I think the government could do something like support some farmer in like small scale land. Because mostly the farmer is for like large production, large farming land. But there is some small like self-owner farmer who is growing their crops by themselves. It's very hard for them because there are some financial difficulties. So I think government should to offer some subsidize to helping them.
Make a rule.
Yeah.
To-
So
they should.
I think with more of this small scaled farming lands, is there is more like production, food production add on to the total production.
Okay, that's more than 10 minutes.
Okay.
We
Okay.
stop there.